Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 1st to the 5th of February 2021 on Monday. Mzansi takes a risk to make sure London keep her secret. Ntokozo tries his best to get back to a normal life. Gladys makes an unexpected new friend on Tuesday. Mzansi's lies finally catch up with her in the worst way. Zoto makes a new friend, but Teddy isn't too happy about it on Wednesday. Sondo has to make one of the toughest decisions of her life over someone she loves. Teddy inadvertently reveals a truth that might get in the way of his mother's happiness on Thursday. Sondo organizes over what she did to Mzansi while Mzansi deals with the blast from the past. Zoto's romance makes or takes a surprising turn that leaves Gladys stuck in the middle on Friday. Sondo pays Mzansi a visit at the hospital armed. Teddy gives his mother his blessing to date Bongani. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. If you want the full episode, please let me know on the comment section. Bye.